How to read an integer value from console in Python. You can use the input built-in function to read input from console entered by the user. Call input built-in function. This function returns the value entered by user in console as a string. But we need integer value, not a string value. To convert this string value into an integer value, we can use the int built-in function. Pass the value returned by input function as argument to int function. Int function converts the input string to integer and returns the integer value. You can store the returned value in variable input integer. Let us find the square of this integer value and print this square value to output. Save and run the program. A prompt appears in the console. Enter some valid numeric digits and input enter or return key. Enter or return key marks the end of input by the user. The program reads the user inputs, computes the square value, and prints it to the output. You can also prompt the user with a message when reading the integer value. Pass the prompt string as argument to the input function. Save and run the program. The given input is displayed in the console and the cursor waits for the user input. Enter some valid numeric digits and input, enter or return key. The prompt reads the user input, computes the square value, and prints it to the output. This is how you can read an integer value entered by the user in the console input. Concluding this video, we have seen how to read an integer value from the user and apply some numeric computations. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.